Imagine a life where your thoughts empower you instead of limit you, where every belief opens a new door instead of closing one. Today, we're going to explore how to break free from limiting beliefs and unlock a world of endless possibilities. And I'll share a heartwarming story that shows just how powerful that shift can be. So, what exactly is a belief? It's an acceptance of something as true, an idea you've come to trust. A limiting belief, however, is an acceptance of something that holds you back or restricts what you believe is possible. Where do these limiting beliefs come from? They start with programming, the messages and experiences that shape our inner world. That programming creates beliefs. Those beliefs form attitudes. Attitudes influence feelings. Feelings shape actions, and actions determine results. Now, our programming begins early from our parents, teachers, culture, and society. For instance, a teacher might say, "You're not good at this," or "You're not smart enough." And that moment can stick, shaping how you see yourself for years. I knew someone who shared how, as a child, she loved raising her hand in class and she was very smart. So one day she gave the wrong answer and everyone laughed. That single moment planted fear in her. And from then on, she avoided speaking up, even as an adult. You see, that experience became a belief. The belief being that if she spoke up, she'd be embarrassed. This is how limiting beliefs form. Small moments that grow roots in our minds. But here's the beautiful part. If a belief can be learned, it can be unlearned. When we change our programming, we change the entire chain that follows our beliefs, attitudes, feelings, actions, and ultimately our results. And there are 4 powerful techniques that can help us do just that. These techniques are reframing, visualization, affirmations, and action. Let's take them one by one, briefly, but clearly. Reframing. Reframing means looking at a situation through a new lens. For example, instead of saying, "I'm too old to start a new career," try saying, "My years of experience give me a strong foundation. I bring wisdom and depth others might not have." Now write that new statement down and reflect on it. Repeat it. The more you practice reframing your thoughts, the more your brain begins to accept new, empowering ideas and truths. The second tool is visualization. Visualization is about imagining success before it happens. Create a mental movie where you've already achieved what you desire and then feel that. See the details, the sounds, the joy. The key is emotion. The more real it feels inside, the faster it becomes your outer reality. Believe it before you see it, not the other way around. The third tool is affirmations. Affirmations are positive present tense statements that replace old mental dialogue. For example, "I am capable of learning anything I set my mind to." Repeat the affirmations daily, especially in the morning or before you sleep. Those are powerful times to reprogram the subconscious mind. The fourth tool is taking action. Nothing changes until you take action. Start small, one step, one task, one effort at a time. Action builds confidence. Think of how children learn to walk. They fall, they get up, they try again, and keep going until it becomes second nature. Practice makes progress. Each small action builds momentum and belief in your own ability. Remember, this process takes time. You didn't develop limiting beliefs overnight, and they won't dissolve overnight either. But every small step you take weakens their grip and strengthens your new direction. Surround yourself with people who support your growth, those who encourage your transformation rather than reinforce the old patterns. Stay consistent and stay compassionate with yourself. Now, let me share that story I mentioned earlier because it beautifully illustrates what happens when we let go of fear and embrace possibility. Many years ago, we had a next-door neighbor with a little boy who was terrified of dogs. One day, he told his mother, "I want to get over my fear. Let's get a dog." And they did. The dog's name was Marley, a big, friendly, playful sweetheart. At first, the boy was hesitant, but slowly that fear began to melt away. Marley would come over, even to our house, wagging her tail, toy in mouth, ready to play. Our cats, of course, wanted nothing to do with her, but she kept showing up, full of love and joy. Over time, Marley became like part of our family too. That one brave choice to face a fear transformed not just the boy's life, but his family's life as well, and ours. Our family benefited greatly. One changed belief created ripples of joy and connection. This is the power of changing a limiting belief and embracing the beauty of all possibilities. So remember, take it easy with yourself. Growth doesn't need to be forced. If something doesn't feel right, that's your inner wisdom guiding you to change. Start with one small belief at a time. And watch how your world begins to brighten and expand. Your possibilities are endless. And your journey begins the moment you choose to believe differently. Blessings to all of you. Bye. Hey, I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. If something in today's message spoke to you and you're ready to make lasting changes in your life, I'd love to connect with you. You can book a complimentary discovery call at sunnytlc.com or just email me directly. My email is sunny@sunnytlc.com. Let's see if we can work together in creating the life you truly desire. Because remember, the power is within you. Until next time, peace, love, and blessings.